Hi everyone, my name is Zhang, and I'm a PhD student with Confirm based in Athlone Institute of Technology. Currently, the concept of deep learning is popular. For example, the language translation tools, they can easily help us translate unfamiliar languages. This is kind of deep learning model. Nowadays, the deep learning models and datasets become larger, so there's a new idea, which is to divide the large model and data into small pieces and then apply this small piece on different devices. Such a solution can increase the data processing speed and could handle larger scale models. This is called distributed and parallel computing. In a manufacturing setting, the response speed of the robots has a significant impact of manufacturing. And the data in the factory also involves the privacy of the enterprise. Therefore, my research could help factories to improve their manufacturing capabilities and protect their privacy.